there skating on the pond. February 3rd. John's wearing my skates from last year. These are too small. He's growing 2 sizes. Could be a little bit bigger, but it's still good. Nothing's out here, see? Oh, she went after a mole, so she's got a dirty face. Uh-oh, wipe out.
Down to the count. Hey, wait a minute, I'm going to take a
Take
shot.
it easy on the boy, Dad.
Just having fun. I'll let you start with the puck.